So I'm supposed to be do.
What you mean?
When?
I'm supposed to do that assignment?
What assignment? For who?
First period, bro.
What? Assignment?
That assignment on climate change.
She sure did assign that. It's due tomorrow, bro.
Bro, what y'all know about climate change?
Nothing.
Bro, what we gonna do?
Nothing.
Hold on, let me look it up.
All right, baby.
Cut it.
Action.
Climate change is a change in global or regional climate patterns. Thank you.
Get charged over renewables, persuade a common conversation, consume less waste, energy for more life, invest in renewables, and divest from fossil fuels.
Go.
The influence of weather and climate change on human health are significant and varied. Exposure to health hazards related to climate change affects different people and different communities to different degrees. While often assessed individually, exposure to multiple climate change that can occur simultaneously, resulting in compounding and cascading health impacts. With climate change, the frequency, severity, duration, and location of weather and climate phenomena, like rising temperatures, heavy rains and droughts, and some other kinds of severe weather are changing. Climate change can therefore affect human health in two main ways. First, by changing the severity and frequency of health problems that are already affected by climate or weather factors. Second, by creating unprecedented and unanticipated health problems or health threats in places where they have not previously occurred.
From the Earth's tallest peaks to the ocean floor, scientists warn no part of the world will be spared from the climate crisis.
The consequences for nature and humanity are sweeping and severe.
The United Nations Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change released the unprecedented report, concluding that the planet can't keep up with global warming. The oceans, which act as a sponge for CO2 emissions, are at capacity, threatening to swallow up islands and coastal cities.
Humans are the main cause of climate change. Humans burn fossil fuels and clear trees that absorb carbon dioxide, also sending heat-trapping gases into the atmosphere.
Start small, raise funds in school, plant a tree on the campuses or around the community. Blood donation, feed the hungry, recycle, or even volunteer.
But we must act now. What can you do? Take action. Unplug devices and chargers when not in use to reduce your energy consumption. Walk, bike, or use other means of active transportation. Get your food locally. Buy only the food you require. And give edible leftovers to those in need. At the city, state, and national levels, stay informed. Let your elected representatives know what you think. At Kaiser Permanente, we are developing real-world strategies that address climate change to support your health and the health of our communities. Because when it comes to climate change, it's about health.